Forgotten username recovery failed on Deserve fix. If your attempt to recover your Deserve username keeps failing, you're not alone, and here's the surprising truth. Deserve no longer uses traditional usernames for login. Like many fintech platforms, Deserve upgraded to a more secure, email-based login system. So, if your username recovery isn't working, it's not broken, it's outdated. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Open the Deserve app or visit the Deserve website. On the login page, skip the username field and enter your registered email address instead. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password. You'll receive a reset link in your email inbox. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. Step 3. If you're unsure which email you used, search all your inboxes for past emails from Deserve. Those will show which address is linked to your account. Step 4. If you still can't log in, contact Deserve's support team directly. Provide your full name, date of birth, and registered email address. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed, and they'll verify your details to restore your access. Most people think they've lost access to their account when this happens, but that's not the case. The old username system was simply replaced with a more secure, user-friendly login that relies on your verified email. So don't worry, your Deserve account and credit details are safe. Just switch from username recovery to email-based login, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back in your account with no issues.